Tonight we're celebrating with many groups from all over Canada. It's the Spring Gala in support of the Martyrs Shrine in Midland, Ontario.
Tonight the shrine is put on its gala to be a pilgrimage of the world. And so we have different booths featuring shrines from around the globe. And the people of these booths are serving appetizers and souvenirs of their home countries. And for Martyrs Shrine, it's a chance to bring all of our different constitutive pilgrim groups, friends and supporters together. So we have a very large and diverse gathering tonight.
I'm really happy to be here and to support the wonderful Shrine of Midland and to come and join in the fraternity and the festivity, because it is a sacred place that deserves our attention and our love. Absolutely.
We are representing Italy. We're from, the costumes are from a small town in southern Italy called Latino. I think it's really important for us to keep the cultures and traditions alive, because I see how much it means to my grandparents and my family that, came from Italy as immigrants. So it's just, I see how important it is to them, and it's such beautiful culture. I want to keep it alive.
So this is our Vietnamese pavilion, and we're showcasing not only the dessert and cultural aspect, but also the traditional Vietnamese instrument. And Han here, she's our musician that she plays, and these are our singers.
We are grounded in our faith, and I love that our children have visited the shrine and that we are devoted to His Word and we follow Him. That's what we're here to support.
Our spiritual faith is a gift. The idea of pilgrimage is here tonight, and to have it right here in Vaughan, and of course in the fall we have it in Midland. We gather together to support the shrine, particularly now at its centennial year. And we're so proud to be part of this tonight, and what a great gathering.
It's a wonderful opportunity to meet people from different parts and celebrate, which is something, again, that's foundational to building community, to building a peaceful society. So I'm really happy to be here tonight and to spend a little bit of time with people that are of like mind, of like spirit, and really celebrating who they are and sharing their culture with everyone.
That's all from the gala. Thank you for being with us.